Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, let's take a look at modern style balconies. Now, a lot of people are living in apartments and condos either for financial reasons or because they don't want the upkeep of a home. So whatever outside space that you're able to get has to be a priority. But how can you make it fashionable? How can you make it something that you love and a place that you would love just to hang out on? That's what today's video is all about. We're going to take a look at some balconies that feature the more modern style of home decor. Alrighty guys, so you'll have to let me know what you thought about this video down below in the comment section. I did want to take a moment to let you in on what some of my favorites were. Go ahead and please let me know what yours were as well. Now I love this one since a lot of people are doing the more al fresco dining and wanting to dine outside. I thought this was a great way, even with a small balcony, to have a place to sit and eat, and it looks really cozy as well. So this one also gives me dark and moody vibes, but you have so much greenery. It just really just engulfs you in it. It looks like such a relaxing spot to just chill. I love those dark colors on the wall. I think this is a place that I could just sit and take a nice nap. Okay, so even though I loved this room, I had a question. It looks like the glass goes all the way up to the ceiling. So in this case, is it still a balcony or would it be like a sunroom? I need to look that up. I don't really know the difference. However, I thought it was gorgeous, especially that greenery wall behind the sofa. So chic. I loved this one as well. I think as well as some of you boho lovers or just people that love to be surrounded by greenery, I thought this was beautiful. Now I think this would work best if you were maybe an introvert and wouldn't be having much company on your balcony, because as you see, it is mainly composed of a lot of your plants and then that one seating area there, which is actually a chaise lounge to lay back on, so you couldn't have a lot of people over, but it is beautiful nonetheless. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.